Hey everyone and welcome back. Want to transcribe your YouTube videos for captions, descriptions, or blog posts? Let me show you the complete workflow using Whisper AI on the free plan. First, download your video from YouTube Studio, go to Content, select your video, and click Download. This gives you an MP4 file. If your video is under 25 megabytes, go to whisperai.com, upload the MP4 file, select your language, and choose SRT as your output format, click Transcribe. If your video is longer than 25 megabytes, use the command line version which has no file size limits. Install Whisper locally, then run whisper your video.mp4 format, sort model medium. Once you have your SRT file, go to YouTube Studio, open your video, and click Subtitles, click Upload, and choose your SRT file. YouTube will automatically sync the captions to your video. For video descriptions, copy the plain text transcript and paste it below your video. This helps with SEO and viewer engagement. Pro tip: run whisper your video.m4 task translate to generate English captions from non-English videos automatically. And that is it. Download, transcribe, upload captions. Your YouTube video is now fully accessible and searchable. If you caption your videos, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.